Hi, this is Bethany from 4 Leaf Furniture. Just wanted to give you guys a little bit of a hardware tutorial. I've got some brass poles soaking in half vinegar, half water, 50-50 combo. And those will scrub up really nice. And then I wanted to show you, so I have some old paint on this and I've soaked it for about 24 hours. And the cool thing is, you can use an abrasive, you can use what you want, but I just use my fingernail and etch up like this. And it slides up. And the cool thing is, do you see this layer? This is not just the paint. This is paint and grime. So that under part that's dirt came off, and look how shiny and beautiful clean we became. So it's kind of nice because it just slides right off. Grungy grunge. Right there. And when you're done, you're left with the hands of a chimney sweep, which is fun. Something that I should also mention about vinegar is it does lose its acidity. So it doesn't necessarily go bad. But one of the cool things is if you have some vinegar and it is expired, I don't think, no, this doesn't expire. We use it too fast. But if it is expired, it's perfect for cleaning and household items. So, hence the hardware. Why is it important to clean your hardware first before you spray it? Well, there's usually a film of oils and dirt and grime. And if you spray on top of it, it's just going to peel right off. So you can see, this is just my fingernail going across there. And usually brass is shiny. Most old school pieces have shiny brass, so see how much cleaner it is? You want to make sure you're clean or else nothing is going to stick to that. Still got a ways to go.